Morning guys, doing a little tour of the garden. Frogs have gone quiet. River's not running yet. What have we got down here? A little bit down here. Blue wolf. Members of the trout family. Mushrooms. Down here. Tiny frogs. All in hiding. Look how the badgies are getting on. Got the gooseberries. Got an abundance of gooseberries. Done well this year. Absolutely full. Little crop up and running. Moneymaker tomatoes. Peas are coming up. More to come up here. I'll put that climbing up the fence. Victoria plum tree. It's growing nicely. More moneymaker tomatoes. A little one just coming. More room for planting down here. Here's me gnat. Another tomato hiding down here. Some cabbage growing. Some feral lettuce that I've dropped. Just decided to take root there. Some cauliflower coming, getting ready to plant so I can replant again. More young tomatoes coming. Plenty more room for planting. Not down here. Some spearmint. Plenty of spearmint. Another polytunnel. Got some pak choi growing here. These are nice. Growing well, these are. You can't beat a bit of pak choi. Some flowers coming on the cucumber. An abundance of lettuce here. Just got to split them, separate them. Keep us going lettuce wise. Some more mint. Some lamb's mint. The radishes are doing well. Some of these are monsters. The size of them. Some big old radish. They're ready for picking, they are. That's a monster. What else we got? Make use of everything. This is the back of my veggie patch. Got an old fishing net here which I've used as a climber. Sprouts coming along here. The sprouts are coming on nicely. Potatoes, which are massive. They are ready to come up, they are. Green beans, French green beans growing up the old fishing net. Some cabbage. These potato plants are doing really well. And get ready for put some more in. Just making use of what space I've got. Around here I've got my other greenhouse here. Some more sprouts and cabbage to go in. Strawberries. Yeah, looking pretty good. The boy will be out soon, he'll have a feast on them. Bit of sugar, bit of cream. So yeah, we're getting there. I'll net this off for the birds. I've had a bit of a problem with ants. But my auntie gave me a tip the other day. And she said to get rid of ants, what you need is cinnamon. So if you get yourself some cinnamon, apparently if the ants inhale the cinnamon, it kills them. Which you don't really want killing, but it does divert them. So instead of going out and buying ant powder, what you need to do is just get yourself some sweet cinnamon from Tesco and spray it around the ants, and it does make them run. They run. They hate the stuff. But yeah, just a little tour of the garden. The veggies are coming on. We're getting there. I've got bits everywhere. I've even got some sprouts growing out of here. Why not? Use every little space you've got. Got the rhubarb. It's all good. Keeping it real, guys. Wildmans garden. Gazzy's nature garden. Veggie garden. Little Eden. Over and out, guys. Have a good one. Wildman out.